Hello and welcome everyone. So today we are going to make this green gram and yam gravy. This is a quick and easy recipe which you can make in just 20 minutes. So these are the things that we are going to need. I have half of a medium onion sliced. Then we have half cup of yam, some curry leaves, green chilli, ginger garlic 1 teaspoon and some cilantro plus half cup of grated coconut. Now we will heat a pressure cooker and we will add 2 teaspoons of coconut oil into it. Try to use coconut oil for this gravy because it has its own taste. It gives this amazing flavor to the gravy. So now we are adding the chopped onions and next we will add green chilies and the crushed ginger garlic. Saute it till the onions turn light golden brown. You don't have to make it very dark in color, just slight golden brown. Now we will add the soaked green gram. If you have forgotten to soak it overnight, it doesn't matter. It may need a few more whistles than the soaked green gram. So now I have also forgotten to soak it. Cook for 6 to 7 whistles and then we will be adding yam and giving more whistles. Meanwhile, we will grind half a cup of coconut with 1/4 teaspoon of whole cumin, grind it to a nice fine paste. Now we have cooked for 6 whistles and now we will add some more water and the chopped yam pieces into the cooker. Now we will add a pinch of red chilli powder and another pinch of turmeric powder. We will add some more water, just enough to cover the yam pieces. Cook for 4 whistles. Our yam and green gram is nicely cooked and soft now. We will add some more water to make it loose. We want a gravy, right? So we will add some more water. If you have soaked the green gram overnight, you don't need 6 to 7 whistles in the beginning. You just need 3 whistles. Okay, now we will add the coconut paste. Now add salt to your taste. You can also adjust it in the end. Next we will add some crushed curry leaves. Add about 8 to 10 curry leaves and some cilantro, that is coriander leaves. Now I have half of a medium ripe tomato chopped. It's only a half tomato. A medium half tomato chopped. Now we will cover and cook it for 5 minutes on medium flame. You don't need to lock the cooker, just cover and cook it. It's been 5 minutes. Now open and add 1/4 teaspoon of pepper powder. Let it boil for 2 minutes and then stir it well and turn off flame. Transfer it to a serving dish and add about 1 teaspoon of coconut oil. Just drizzle it on the top and just keep it covered till you serve it. Keep it covered to lock the aroma inside and enjoy it.